Hey there, in this video I will review Conduit AI Analyst. The good news is Conduit AI Analyst is currently available on appsumo platform. This tool provides lifetime access only $69. The regular price is $1,800. If you want to get lifetime access, don't forget to check out my description box. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first I will explain what is Conduit AI Analyst. Then I will show you who is the founder of Conduit. Then I will explain Conduit features, pricing plan, how it works, pros and cons, and overall why we choose Conduit AI Analyst. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is Conduit? Conduit AI Analyst helps you connect and analyze business data, translating it all into meaningful insight that drive growth. You get over 500 different data sources from multiple categories like accounting software, advertising platform, and help desk tool. Once you are connected, you can import all the data to a Google Sheet and let Conduit AI Analyst conduct a deeper analysis. This platform also supports multiple account per data source, which is perfect for agency and large company working with brands. You can easily engage with your data and get direct answer in the ChatGPT-like interface. You can easily create custom dashboard and report that reveal the information you want at a glance. You can easily design automated workflow and set up notification whenever a process runs. With Conduit AI Analyst, you will be able to leverage and analyze data across hundreds of apps to make better business decisions. Unlock smart business insight. Who is the founder of this app? This app created Max Ganutin. Features: they provide open AI, copilot, ask and get actionable insight as answer. They provide templates, data margin, cleaning and analysis, workflow automation. They provide dashboard, real-time alert based on custom hold. They provide fast show plus integration service. Also they added future integration app or tool. They provide Slack and email notification service and workspace permission. Let's see guys how it works. Guys, at first you import your data to Google Sheet. You can easily import your data Shopify, Salesforce, service for Google Analytics, QuickBooks, Generic, Stripe, and 500 plus other systems. Step 2, configure or use one of their templates. You can combine Shopify and Facebook ad data or deal timesheet and invoice data or any combination you want into a perfect dashboard. Step 3, ask question and get answer about your business. You can ask any question and their AI will guide you with the right answer based on your data. Work in Google Sheet, the Conduit app, or within your own SaaS app using our plugin. They are plugin for Chrome. Step 4, get notified in Slack or email on change. Have you copilot watch the number for you and ping you when you need it. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how it works. Conduit AI pricing plan. They provide license tier 3 plan. When you choose license tier 1, you will pay $69. When you choose license tier 1 plan, you will pay $69 one-time purchase, lifetime account. All features above included. They provide unlimited input size. 10 users use this plan. 10 integration service for SIM connection per integration. They provide custom branding and 1 year of data. When you choose license tier 2, you will pay $189 one-time purchase, unlimited input size, unlimited user use this plan, 25 integration added this plan, unlimited SIM connection per integration, custom branding, and 2 years of data this plan at their provide. When you choose license tier 3, you will pay $399 one-time purchase, unlimited input size, unlimited user, unlimited integration service. They provide unlimited SIM connection per integration. They provide custom branding and 4 years of data. That is the pricing plan. You can easily find this app in my description box. Conduit AI Analyst pros. Guys, it's easy to use. It's super fast. They provide a free plan, even no credit card needed. They provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this app, you can easily refund your money. They provide lifetime access. Support system is very active. Conduit AI Analyst cons. For some reason, your account don't pull all the GA4 data in on the first try. That is the pros and cons Conduit AI Analyst app. So guys, why we choose Conduit AI Analyst? Guys, if you are a marketer, solopreneur, marketing agency owner, this tool is perfect for you. Guys, Conduit is a great tool if you are a data analyst or just somebody who wants to use their data for better decision making. I hope this tool is perfect for you. You will easily find this tool in my description box. Don't forget to share your opinion. This video is helpful or not. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.